Yun nga eh. Kaya sabi ko,
Could never go wrong. I love my hood.
most man.
Green siya.
So, BBC tayo?
Ano siyang powder?
Ano
Ano
yun?
siyang puff?
Sorry.
Okay lang.
Kamay mo, boy. Lambot na.
Ay, ito yun oh. Yung mag-isa lang sila. Bro. Long neck.
Ito ko to.
Ito cute talaga to. Love with that. First one is bliss. I might alter it if I have time. Still not sure. Russian dress. I love the detail. Butterfly. It's a bit loose. So it's better na. So cute. Butterfly. The patches are nice. Kaya kinuha ko. It's more okay than Lexus. So, nice. I love it, guys. Hello, so I ordered squishy sa Shein. And dito na siya. I'm so excited. Like, matagal ko na siya gina-wait. And it's finally here. So excited. Open X. Oh my god, masira yung lagayan, but it's fine. Then ito yung soap. Yung soap. I only ordered 2. And then gusto ko ma-try kasi. Order din ako na para sa kilay. Because I wanted to reshape my kilay. And then, nails! Nails. So pretty. I hope kasha siya sa akin. Mukha ba siyang kasha? Small size kinuha ko. Hopefully kasha siya sa akin. If hindi, i-nail file ko na. And then, this. Ooh! Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow palette. So pretty. I love the shades. Let's do it. Oh my god, finally. Another shade. Oh! Ooh! Oh my god. Oh my god. One last. Oh my god. So good. Okay, next. Crunchy yung pinili ko. And mukhang hindi siya crunchy. Base. Medyo powdery din siya. Then, oh my god. Feel ko hindi siya crunchy, guys. Wala, hindi siya crunchy. siya crunchy. Crunchy yung in-order ko. Mali ata yung nadating. But it's fine, guys. I will order a crunchy one na lang. And this. So pretty. Yeah, I ordered this. Then let's try this one. Medyo malaki siya sa akin. Ito yung malaki. I-nail file ko na lang siguro. So, size extra small ako. And I thought small. Bigger talaga siya, guys. Size small. Okay, that's all. Just to file my nail. To dehydrate. Then pat. Make sure it sticks properly para hindi siya agad mawala. Maalis ka na. This.